all about the family. It's all about the family. It's all about the ones who's gonna be there till the end. And everyone around me. No matter if your brother or your lover or your friend, let the vibes go. Oh, 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 let the vibes go. Oh,
what is up, everybody? So check it out. So shout out to King Vito 20 being 140th subscriber. So with that being said, his idea for a video is a mall. So right now, where are we? We're at 12 Oaks Mall. All the way, I think, what, Novi? Novi, so we're gonna spend a little time out here. Please bear with me, because I still have a fear of recording in front of people. I'm gonna do my very best to record as much as I can. People are already staring at me. I can do this. You want one, buddy? Do you want one? You want a bear? You want a bear, buddy? You want a bear? Alright, we're gonna make him a bear.
Alright. Can I see your bear? Thank you. Alright.
Give him a hug, baby. Give him a hug.
You like it?
You like it, buddy?
You can put your heart. Alright. I got to go get it. I just go get a different one. And do you want to make our beer sushi?
Alright, so we just made our first Build-A-Bear. And now he's getting sewed up with love and affection.
I want one next time.
No, you know. These things are expensive. Whew. And I recorded my heart. I mean my voice for $8. Aww. You got your bear, buddy?
I hold him. Aww.
Well, because the price for that thing, he better love it.
I know, baby.
He better not drop it. He better not get lost. I don't got insurance on that thing. Look how cute he look with his... no. It's not your phone. Get over here.
This side of it.
Build-A-Bear is very... too much for me.
What's your name?
We're making it a birth certificate. Look at him. My little German shepherd. Shh, quiet.
I have a 1-year-old. He turned 1 back in March.
Aww.
Oh, the floor's bad. I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. Hi.
Do me a favor. Will you just hold on to her just so she can see? It's actually, let me try this a little bit, because I didn't notice that it was wet either, so I don't want him to slip. I'm sorry, I know you just got him over here.
Hi. You want to come closer?
It's a boy. Do you have dogs at home or no?
No.
Sorry, you can come in right over here. Should be good. I just want to make sure that like.
Hi, doggy.
See? Just be
Buddy.
careful of under the stroller. Okay.
Okay.
Let me know if you guys need anything, okay?
Okay. You say hi, buddy.
Sat down on the ground over there.
Say hi.
You gotta get him a puppy.
Oh, he's so cute.
What? Don't you want to make it fun?
No, we're gonna make it fun. So check this out, y'all. So we came up with, she's gonna put me in a girl outfit, and I'm gonna put her in a boy outfit. I mean, females look right in, you know, boy clothes sometimes. Guys with female clothes, not so much.
Well, you want to do two outfits or one outfit?
We can do two. We're gonna do two outfits
Wait, so
each.
how do I figure out your size but in girl pants?
I mean, whatever you grab, I just gotta.
I'll just get guy pants, but the girly guy pants.
Okay. So some skinny jeans. Oh my God.
That's so good.
Alright. Wish me luck, cause this is about to be terrible.
This is his shirt.
That's my shirt, y'all. That's one of them. And she got a whole nother outfit to pick. Oh my God. Alright, y'all. She trying on her first outfit. You almost done in there, sweetie. 4, 3, 2, 1. You actually kind of cute.
Hey, baby.
I'm trying to debate, where do you look like you about to go? Where you going? Got the nice little ponytail going. You look like a server at a restaurant.
Server?
At a restaurant? You look like a manager at a restaurant.
So, yeah.
That's funny.
I need to spin.
Do a spin. Boom. You really, oh my God, this is crazy. Oh, you could pass for, okay. Alright, go with the next one. Hang on. Alright, y'all, second outfit in 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. Those don't even look bad on you. They don't even look bad. See, that's what I'm saying. Females can get away with wearing guy clothes. Ain't that right, buddy? That's not fair. Alright. Do a turn. You can really sleep in that, honestly. I can see you sleeping in that.
It's comfy.
Alright. Now it's my turn. Here we go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come out.
I mean, I can rock it. Right, buddy? Yeah.
Pull Trey's pants up. He just pulled them down.
I ain't trying to get discovered. Alright, how y'all think? What y'all think?
Do a spin.
Did it turn?
Yeah, it turned.
Alright.
Okay, outfit number 2. Outfit number 2. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
How y'all like it?
What'd you think, baby? What'd you think, Trey?
Show me your muscles. Ah. Show me your muscles. What y'all think, people? Y'all think I can rock it? Can I do it? Can I do it, buddy? I can't do it. Alright, everybody. So that was that. I looked it amazing. I don't know what y'all thought, but anyways, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. And again, huge shout out to King Vito 20 for being a 140th subscriber. Hopefully we can do this again with a whole nother person. It was very fun. I had fun. So until next time, Trey, say bye-bye.
Hey.
Say bye-bye.
Hey.
Alright everybody, but I'm Steve-O, that's Trey, this is Haley, we out of here.